Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over part 3, step 3 of the Shim Sham Shimmy. So if you haven't yet learned the original, part 1, steps 1 through 4, I would recommend going back and watching those videos first, learning the original Shim Sham Shimmy, before you start learning the variations, the different versions, because the part 1 is the base for all the variations. So it is the base that the variations can grow from. So you need to know the original before you start getting into the variations. So I also recently posted part 3, steps 1 and 2. So you can go ahead and learn those first before you jump into this one. And all of these videos should be under my Shim Sham Shimmy playlist, if I have not linked them in my description box below. Which they should be linked down there. So let's actually, I might have just linked my Shim Sham Shimmy playlist. So find them in that playlist. And part 1 is the original, part 2 is the Shim Sham Shimmy with no breaks, and then part 3 is an even more different variation than part 2 was, because part 2 is exactly the same, just with the breaks taken out. So this is part 3, step 3. Step 3 is the tack Annie. So this is a variation on the tack Annie. Okay, so as you know, the tack Annie usually starts with the stomp, stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step, right? So usually the tack Annie looks like this. And then you would do that 3 times and then go into the break. So this one's a little bit different, but it starts exactly the same as the original tack Annie, which is why you need to know the original before you jump into the variations. So we're going to start on stomp, stomp. You're going to do 2 brush taps, steps in right side and then left side. So brush or spank, touch, and then stomp out with the right foot, and then spank, touch. Okay, so we just have 2 of them instead of the full 4 like usually. So it's stomp, stomp, swing, touch, stomp, swing, touch. From here, we're going to go into 2 drawbacks, left side, right side. So it's like a regular drawback. So if you don't know a drawback, find them in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist. It's step, spank, heel. So we're going to go step, spank, heel, stomp. Okay, so the full variation on the tack Annie is stomp, stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step, draw back, stomp. Okay, and then you would start it again. Since we stomped on our left foot, you're going to start with the right foot again, stomp, stomp. Right, left, spank, touch, draw back. You're going to do it 1 more time. So it's the same number of times as the original. You do it 3 times total. So let's do it 1 more time. We have stomp, stomp, spank, touch, stomp, spank, touch, draw back, stomp. Let's put all 3 of those together. This also starts on and 8. So it's and 8 and 1, so on and so forth. Okay, here we go. Starts on and 8. Stomp, stomp. 3 times through total. 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 1. Draw back. Again. Last one. Okay, and then we go into the break. So if you've already watched the video, part 3, step 1, which is just the Shim Sham part, you realize that one didn't have a break, and in the original it does have a break. So this break is only for the tack Annie section. It's only for this step 3. And yeah, that's just because the Shim Sham section, step 1, did something different than it did from the original. So the break is only in step 3. So the break is stomp, stomp, right, left. Then you're going to go spank, heel, as though you're going into some drawbacks, which we kind of are. So spank, heel on the right. Step, spank, heel, step. So now right foot goes down. Step, spank, heel, step. And then we're going to do 4 stomps. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the break again is stomp, stomp, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step. And then 4 stomp, 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 stomp. Okay. I'm not sure what the counts are. I think it's back to and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, so that the next one, part 4, can start on 8 again. Okay, so the break again is stomp, stomp, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, stomp, 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 stomp. Okay, so starting from the top, starts on 8. 3 times through, and then the break. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, stomp, stomp, touch, touch. Draw back, 2. Again, stomp, stomp, same touch. Draw back. Last one. Draw back. Break. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This one is a little bit weird. This one really shows that it has a swing rhythm in there. So this one gets a little bit wonky. The rest of them are very similar to the original. This one starts like the original, but then gets a little bit weird. So this one takes some practicing to get used to. Let's try it faster. Here we go. Starts on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Last one. Stomp, 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 stomp. Okay. Faster. Here we go. Last time. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Nicely done. So I'm teaching this combo, and it still trips me up because I want to revert back to the original Tack Annie. That's where my brain and my muscle memory wants to go. So nicely done. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song or step suggestion, I am open to new ideas all the time, so let me know down in the comment section below. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.